Okay, so there is a quick video today. We are leaving in a few hours to Mexico for 9 nights, I think. And I'm leaving both of my cars on our driveway, charged but unplugged. And I want to see what is the efficiency for both of my vehicles, which are the Cybertruck and the Model Y. Many people asked about the efficiency of the Cybertruck when it's simply parked, because the Model Y is pretty good in that regard. If they park, they just almost don't spend any energy, but some people reported that Cybertrucks actually spend a lot of energy while they are parked. And I tend to check because I'm really curious, was it fixed or not since then? Yeah.
I think we need to talk about phantom drain tonight, but we gotta be careful because phantoms are scary.
Oh, it's a rainy day today. So first let's check the Model Y. 448 kilometers and exactly 90% of the battery. For the Cybertruck, though, I didn't charge it to 90%, it's about 80 something percent. Let's go and check. Really, it doesn't matter because we want to check what is the difference percentage wise, not just the battery consumption. And yeah, it's 82%, as you can see just in this corner, which is about 420 kilometers. And the only thing that we should consider is this mirror, which is staying on for about 20 minutes, and then Cybertruck shuts off all the power. And after that it goes off as well, so it's not consuming any power. What will happen with the Cybertruck and the Model Y, because I'm not going to connect to my vehicles through the app, I'm not going to check nothing, and in both of my vehicles the Sentry mode is off, so nothing is working. Both vehicles should go to sleep. And yeah, just like that, Sentry mode in the Model Y got turned on for some reason. I don't know why, maybe it was a glitch or my sausage fingers were the reason which I'd up. I don't know, but on the second day I got notification that the Sentry mode is engaged for an extended period of time, and I remotely turn it off from Cancun, Mexico. Although it doesn't ruin the test, because I got all the data from the car and it just took 1 day off the test, which doesn't mean anything if, again, we are talking about relative numbers, which we are. The good news is that we also got some additional information about how much energy the Sentry mode can consume. The Sentry mode was engaged for the whole day, basically close to 24 hours in a Model Y, lowering the battery from 90% down to 82%, from 448 kilometers down to 410 kilometers in range. That is about 8% difference, or 6.4 kilowatt hours. And now, after I clarified that, let's get back to the video.
Bye bye Cybertruck, bye bye Model Y.
Okay, so vacation is done and it's time to check what is going on with both of my vehicles here, the Model Y and the Cybertruck.
And before we end this video, I would like to mention that if you have any questions about your Cybertruck or accessories, we created a small real-time chat for Cybertruck owners on the Piemessenger platform that we are making for small communities like ours. If you have any urgent questions that need to be answered right away about anything about a Cybertruck or anything related, the link is down below. It's a small personal project we are creating together that is still developing, and I really hope that you will like it.
Okay, and the first one is a Model Y. We have 393 kilometers left, and it's 79%, as you can see on the screen. Now let's check my Cybertruck. And I'm mostly worried about the Cybertruck because I heard some different things. 79% as well, and it's 405 kilometers left in the Cybertruck.
These results are actually pretty interesting. Despite the Sentry mode issue, it seems that both vehicles are quite efficient. During 8 days, the Model Y consumed about 3 kilowatt hours, and during 9 days, the Cybertruck spent around 4 kilowatt hours. This amounts roughly to 375 watt-hour per day for the Model Y and 400 watt-hour per day for the Cybertruck. And is it scientific? No, it's not. It's not that precise. Is it enough to conclude that there is no phantom drain in the Cybertruck? Yeah, pretty much there is no phantom drain in the Cybertruck anymore. And this is it. This is the end of the video. Don't forget, you know a little bit more now, which is cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for your time.